Hello everyone, Jennifer here. Welcome back to my video. I am doing a tutorial on actually a voice over explaining the what is SnapWave and how it works and the benefit of SnapWave. SnapWave is a technique and also a technology. It's a product that actually helps women to create a unit at home without having to go to professional. Okay, professionals can also utilize SnapWave to cut time and to promote a healthy alternative to the sewings or glowings, especially if your hair is thinning, you have bald spots, or you just want to take a break from the sewings. SnapWave is the best option for you. If you're doing a closure in a SnapWave technique, we suggest that you first of all snap on your closure. Just meet the closure, the snap on the closure to the closure area on the cap. Now our cap has numbers. This cap here doesn't have the number. This is one of our first caps that we created, and the hair also have numbers, but the numbers on this particular web are larger than the ones that we have now. The ones that we have now are very tiny, small, and in black color, so you don't see them. Our cap is one size fit all. It has adjustable band in the back, so you can actually custom and fit it into your hair. You can swim with it, you can go skydiving with it. It does not come off. The tighter you have it, the more secure it is. However, we suggest that if you want to make it tighter, to actually wear our weave grid band to make sure that it's not too tight around your edges. So simply, just all you have to do is snap the number on the hair to the number on the cap, and when you are done with your install, go ahead and cut the lace off the cap, and then remove the lace on the closure, and then put a part where you desire your part to be. Make sure that you trim your part to lay flat by using heat on the area that you want your part to be. And when you're done with your install, if you feel like there's a gap between where your closure stops and where the last track stops, all you gotta do is sew that area a little bit, like put some few stitches on it, and you should be fine. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this tutorial helped, and I will see you on my next one.